Hi there, I'm Anna Vagin, and welcome to today's Tuesday tip, Pyramid of Pengqueen. There it is, by Brain Games. This is a competitive game, and I use it with a wide range of ages, probably starting at around 3rd grade, and then just the sky's the limit. In this wonderful game, there are treasure hunters, and there is a mummy. And the game board is really interesting because it's a barrier game board. So the mummy plays on one side and the treasure hunters play on the other, which means that the mummy cannot see where the treasure hunters are. They have to the mummy kind of goes along in the maze. When she captures a treasure hunter with her magnetic force, she drags them down to the sarcophagus and they have to restart from the beginning of the game. It's a terrific game, and games offer us so much more than turn taking, which is, I think, how they started in our field. They were kind of the break from the work. But now what is so fabulous is the game can be the work. We can work on resilience, because if you're losing a game, you have to still hang in there. If you're winning the game, you might be worried that someone's going to catch up to you. So there's an opportunity to use lots of different feeling trackers and strategies to help kids stay well regulated. They have to manage their feelings. And there's also time for casual conversation when you're playing a game. So it's a win-win situation for all. And so just keep that in mind when you're experimenting with the game, which I hope you do. Easily available on Amazon or from a good game store. That's it for today. Happy playing!